Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this tutorial, I want to backtest my previous high win rate trading strategy. So before getting started, let's introduce our all indicator setting, time frame, momentum, stop loss and profit target strategy. So first, I select TRX USDT as my asset, and right now my platform is Binance. And remember, you have to must select your asset platform from the TradingView asset library. Otherwise, the price cannot sync with your platform price and it could be a reason for your trade fail. And the time frame, I select 5 minutes. This strategy works very well with 1 minute to 4 hour time frame. So you can switch your time frame from here. Now I have to add the two powerful indicator. So I simply go TradingView indicator library. So now I need two indicator. One is EMA and another one is 10 meter. So first indicator EMA, I just write here on side right here EMA. You can see one indicator moving average exponential. So I simply click to add on my chart one time and simply click to add on my chart for two times because I need two different length EMA. So now I have to add our second indicator, and the second indicator name is 10 meter. So I simply write here 10 meter. On side right here 10 meter, you can see one indicator. The name is 10 meter by Liz MC. So I simply click to add on my chart as well. Okay, we have successfully add our two indicator. Now I have to change some setting to understand better and catch the pure signal. So first go with the first EMA. So the first EMA length will be 100. Okay, and for better understanding, I simply change the color to yellow and simply change the thickness. And for the second EMA, the length will be 9. The default length is 9, so I no need to do anything. So I simply go style, and from here I want to change the color to white and make it more bolder. Alright, we have successfully setting our EMA indicator. So now I have to change some setting for 10 meter indicator. So I simply go 10 meter indicator setting, and from here I no need signal 1 and signal 2 filter. So now I have to increase all the color opacity. Alright, we have successfully increased all the opacity. So now it's look like very clear. Now let's introduce with the two indicator momentum. For the 10 meter, all the green color dots match with the same column. We will take buy position. And if the all red color dots match with same column, we just take sell position, and we will get second confirmation from EMA crossover. If 9 EMA crossing up the 100 EMA, in this time we take long position from the 10 meter confirmation. And if the 9 EMA crossing down the 100 EMA, in this time we take short position from the 10 meter confirmation. For better understanding, I want to give you live chart example. In this chart, the 9 EMA successfully crossing up the 100 EMA, and the same time also 10 meter all green dots match with the same column. That means it's our buy signal because it's going to happen a strong uptrend. So we take long position here, and our stop loss will be last swing low, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is trying to go up, and let's see what's happened. And after few, you can see the price is successfully hit our profit target 1, and let's see what's happened. And finally hit our profit target 2. So let's see what's happened. And after few, you can see the price is trying to go up, and after few another EMA crossover happen. So we just stop our trade in here, otherwise the trade will be lost. So now let's go with another example. In this chart, the 9 EMA successfully crossing down the 100 EMA, and the same time from the 10 meter all the red colored dots match with same line. That means it's our buy signal because it's going to happen a strong downtrend. So we take short position here and our stop loss will be last swing high, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and the third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is trying to go down, and let's see what's happened. And after few you can see the price is successfully hit our profit target 1 and hit our profit target 2 and profit target 3, and it's count as another successful trade. So guys, hope you understand how you can generate buy and sell signal using this strategy. Now I want to backtest this strategy to see how profitable is the strategy. And you can also download the backtest Excel sheet for test your any strategy. I already put the link on my YouTube channel and Telegram channel about section. So I simply copy the link and trying to run the link on my browser, and you can see the sheet is downloaded. So I simply open this sheet and enable the editing panel. So in here you can see some function, so it's account balance section. So I simply keep it default 1000 and leverage 20, and if you want you can also change the account balance or leverage value. And now I have to calculate all the profit and loss in this field. So let's see what's happened, and after complete the entry we will get result, the win rate and total profit. So let's begin. After backtest this strategy 50 times, we get the result, the win rate is 70%. But I think 20x leverage is very risky, so my recommended leverage is you can use 10 or 15. So I simply change the leverage to 10, and you can see with 10x leverage our total profit is $9,450 with 1000 capital. So this strategy is very profitable. So guys, if you love this content, you can give a like on my video. Your like always motivated me to discover new profitable trading system. And if you want to get more useful tutorial like this, you can subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question you can comment below. So as always, thanks for watching. See you with you next one.